Aloha, Talofa, and Iaorana, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kanani, Lokelani, Filiata, Angel Kahanui, Asuega, and I'm your favorite Polynesian dancer here on YouTube. And today's video is going to be a little bit of a recap, a behind the scenes of my training and preparation for the Ori Tahiti Nui World Championship, where for those of you who don't know, I came home as the Ori Tahiti Nui World Champion, the World Wahine Champion of 2019. So in these videos, just a little preface, don't go anywhere. I know you want to watch the video. I'm so grateful. Please watch the video, but just listen to my story for a second, just so you kind of know what's going on, what's happening, especially if you don't know who I am, if this is your first time, or if we have never crossed paths. I know a lot of people who watch my videos, I've actually met you guys, but if you're new and new to my life and new to me and here, then keep listening. Anyway, so in these videos that you're about to watch, there's 3 solos. In these solos, you'll be able to see this man named Matani Kainuku. So Matani Kainuku is a ra'atira, the ra'atira of the Nonahere School in Tahiti. In 2018, Matani invited me to stay with him for 2 months. I believe I was in Tahiti for about 2 months, and we were preparing for the Heva Tahiti 2018. So that's how I came into Matani's life and how Matani came into mine. He invited me to go back to Tahiti, live with him, and dance with his school and compete in the biggest competition in Tahiti. And it was an amazing blessing, and that's how I know this family that you're about to see in the videos. So anyway, I came back in 2019, and Matani invited me back to practice. I got to see my family, got to see my friends. I didn't really know I was gonna do what I did in the videos that you're gonna watch, which was like have a time and space to do a solo, but I'm so grateful that Matani gave it to me. In the videos, you see him coaching me. These solos are not full solos. They're most definitely like me in practice, me training. So you see me kind of dying. You see me kind of like look at Matani's coaching me and teaching me some things. So I look at him, I stop dancing, and I try to apply what he's saying. Anywho, so that's what's going on. I'm training, I'm very focused. What I really like about these videos and what makes them important for me to show you is that I fall apart in them. My stamina gets weak, like I die in my solos. I'm hard on myself. You kind of see my face be like, ugh. Like I'm mad at myself. I kind of roll my eyes at myself. When you watch these solos, I'm very vulnerable in front of my family and friends. I'm very receptive of the lessons that Matani has given me, and I'm trying my best to apply them. So there's 3 solos in this. I only do it 3 times. I think I only even practice it 3 times. Like what you're seeing is pretty much what happened in practice. From the first video, he just told me to go dance. Just dance. Show me what you got. As the second video and the third video happen, I'm trying to apply certain things. So some of the things that Matani wanted me to apply was a build up in my fa'arapu, begin with the ruru, go into my ami, and then up into my fa'arapu. And so it's that very like climactic, like exciting moment. So I ended up applying that to even my solos that got me to be placed where I was for both Ori Tahiti Nui Day competition and the championship. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please comment below and I will try to like get to you, comment back, or make a video where I'm talking more about that. Anyway, so that ruru to ami to fa'arapu is something that he gave me and an idea that he gave me. I think it's a common thing to do, but I wasn't doing it, and he found it very valuable, and I'm really grateful for that because it helped me with what ended up happening on stage. And then the other thing that he wanted me to do is make sure that I apply more basic. Don't do a complete solo with all fa'arapu. Don't take too much time for the fa'arapu. Try to add more basics in there. You see the solo kind of change as it gets to the end of it. And then the other one was like holding moves longer, so trying not to change like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. I went from like holding one move for like a solid like 16 to 8 16 24 counts, which is a long time to hold one simple move and step, but you'll see that in the solo. So if you're watching me, I break down. I'm very honest, I'm very vulnerable, I'm very open to suggestion in these videos. I want to show you kind of what's going through my mind when in preparation. I want to show you me as a student. I feel like I'm a teacher now. For those of you also who don't know, follow me at Kananilokelni workshops on Instagram, and I'm a teacher now, so everything I do from here on out is always like teaching. But in these videos, I'm honest, I'm me, and it's everything that was happening in that moment. I really am repeating myself, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. This is a super long intro. Subscribe, hit that bell, and share this video. Comment below anything you see, love, or feel while you're watching the video. I'd love to know your feedback. I'd love to know what you're thinking, or anything really, but just fill that comment section, subscribe, like, share, all of those fun stuff. Push the bell for notifications so you always get notified when I'm doing something. Just do all those fun stuff. Subscribe, all those YouTuber things. I don't know. But anyway, keep watching.